What is up, YouTube? Family 5 coming back. Driving to get my wife's medicine, and we actually hit up a war. There's actually a little bit of a blizzard outside. If you guys are in the Northeast and Illinois, Indiana, Ohio area, you know there's a huge storm coming in. It is Wednesday at about 2:25, and we just hit a Walmart. There was about 5 people inside the Walmart, but one of the people that was inside there was the lady stocking Pokemon cards. You'll never guess what Brody and I found at this Walmart. Wait for it, come back, and we what? He doesn't know what he was going to say. He said we were going to be good, and we'll show you in a minute. I'm going to drive and pay attention and not do a video and kill somebody in this blizzard and talk about Pokemon cards. So stay tuned, check out what we got. It is literally from 2 or 3 years ago, but they had a whole case of them, and we actually spent more money than we should. But come back here in about 2 seconds for you guys, but about a half hour for us. We'll see you soon. Family 5 come back. We are finally back. We did have a snowstorm today, but we did manage to go out and find a few things at the Walmart. They were actually stocking some older tins. We actually got some of the regular 2020 Poke tins, which I'm hoping have evolutions in them, but we do not know, so we'll open one to see if it has evolutions. If it does, we ended up getting, I think, 6 more. So we'll bust those, and Brody actually found some older, but they are Sun and Moon from 2 years ago. They are the GX challenge boxes of, I believe, Ninetales. Yep, Ninetales.
And this version.
And the other one, which was Lycanroc. So you do get 2 packs, 2 promos, and then the theme deck. It does have Burning Shadows in both of them, which you can call a Charizard. Not too sure if we're going to open these or maybe keep them. We'll see. I think we're going to start with the Poketins. Hopefully they have evolutions. So we're going to spin it around and crack it open and see what we can do. All right, we got the camera turned around, and we are on the evolution hunt. We only have 1 pack of evolutions in our collection, but we did find these Poketins, and I'm praying that they're the same ones with the XY evolutions. It does say Sun and Moon, and not XY. So we're going to test 1. We did get 3 of the Grokitins. Pull this Grokitin and pray that it's got evolutions.
Yes. I hope for evolutions.
Through the camera.
Oh!
There is evolutions in there. Show the camera as Brody's looking around the camera again. And you get your, who's that?
A coin.
Who though?
I don't
know who that is. Brody's got to be careful getting these evolutions out of here.
Kind of, and then
look through the camera.
There should be a sword.
I'm gonna put horse blinders on you.
What's that mean?
That means you can't see side to side. Got your Groki thing there. I'm gonna pan out a little bit just because Brody's so close. So good with the camera. Marquito and a hollow frost moth. Did you throw the hollow? Brody didn't show the hollow at all. There's a frost moth, which is a nice card.
Frost moth.
Alright, come back. We're gonna open another tin here.